As Jamaicans, we pride ourselves on our 2-hour stagger time. So, if the invite says 5, get there at 7. And even so, you'll still be the first guest there. You don't have to, but Hispanics bring anything, especially that fried plantain. Haitians bring babaku or that black rice. White people bring paper plates. Please eat something light before you get there, because the blessing will last over 20 minutes and someone will catch in a spirit. I will say this just once, so pay attention. White rice, curry pan top. Rice and peas, chicken at the side. Oxtail, vegetable, potato salad. White rice, curry pan top. Rice and peas, chicken at the side. Oxtail, vegetable, potato salad. Finally, but most important, bring a shet pan. It's Jamaican tradition to take home as much food as possible from someone's house after an event. So 2 weeks after, you don't have to cook. Enjoy Thanksgiving and let me know how it went.